All right, gang, if you are a fan of the Red Rising series, I've got something for you. I picked this up for myself. I've actually been anxiously waiting for this to come out. What this is the deluxe edition that Pierce Brown, the author, just put out of the Red Rising series. It is meant to it's meant to be a little bit of a collector's item to throw you into the Red Rising series, and for those of you who appreciate the Red Rising series, for you to pick up and collect. And I've been waiting on this for a little while, so I'm so stoked that it finally came. Let me show you a little bit about this. Oh my goodness, check this out. Oh. So the Red Rising series kind of throws you into this very immersive, futuristic world. And this book, the design of this book is to give you a little bit of a visual idea into that. You got Darrow here, who's the main character outside of a claw drill, which comes into play in this first book. You've got EO, which you'll meet very early in the book itself, with a piece of poetry on the back of this slipcover. And on the back side of this book, you've got Darrow the Gold here rising above the pages of this book. Man, check this out. The treatment on this book is just incredible. It's such a beautiful book. Pages of this book are even done to kind of make it this full, beautiful experience. Check it out. We open it up. Oh, look at that. You got a map of the solar system. So if you're trying to place where they are inside of the celestial map, you'll be able to flip to this real quick. Well, check this out. Looks like we got a piece of artwork here, and this is going to be Mount Olympus, which is part of the Institute, which is such a cool little addition. This is kind of how I envisioned it in my brain anyway. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, check it out. In fact, speaking of the Institute, it's got a whole map of the Institute, so you can kind of see how it all plays out. If you're flipping to it, wondering how it works. Oh, look at that. Check out the beautiful first page of this book. And let me read the first line of this book, and this is why I got hooked. It says, "I would have lived in peace, but my enemies brought me war." I'm telling you, if you are looking for a good series to jump into, I cannot recommend the Red Rising series highly enough. Incredible series, check it out. But especially if you've loved this series, or you've got somebody in your life who absolutely loved this series, man, check out this collector's edition, this deluxe edition that just got released. It's of the first book only right now, but they are going to have the future editions as well. Grab this. I think it's going to look good on any bookcase. This one's going to join me on my bookcase back here, and I cannot wait to collect them all. If you got somebody in your life who loves Red Rising, man, give this a look. I think they're going to enjoy it.